Plain edge. A coin with a plain edge has no devices or lettering. It may be uneven if a collar is not used to hold the planchet in the coining press. If the coining process employs a collar during the striking process, the edge will be smooth and even around the entire circumference of the coin. Reeded edge. A coin with a reeded edge has a series of evenly placed vertical grooves around the entire circumference of the coin. The collar has these grooves milled into it and are imparted into the edge of the coin during the striking process. Lettered edge. Lettered edge coins have words or symbols infused into the edge of the coin. These inscriptions may include the date, mint mark, denomination, a motto, or other things. Decorated edge. Coins with a decorated edge may have different designs impressed into the edge of the coin. Flowers, vines, bars, and swirls have all been used to decorate the edges of coins from around the world. The rim of a coin. Coin designs can include a rim on a coin on both the obverse and the reverse. In fact, a coin can be said to have two rims, one on the obverse and one on the reverse. The rim is the upraised flat part of the coin that completely encircles the perimeter of the front and/or back. On U.S. coins, the rim is usually very thin, but on presidential dollars it is much wider. The purpose being to allow the blind to differentiate the dollar from the $quarter coin by touch alone. Call the number below or click on the link in the description to learn more about the value of gold and other precious metals.